What's your name?
My name is Chetna, ma'am.
Chetna.
Oh.
Yeah, Chetna. Tell me about yourself.
Thank you for giving this opportunity. Myself Chetna. I am studying degree second year completed. Now I am pursuing third year in Siddhartha Degree College. I completed my inter at Sri Ada Junior College. My father name is Purushottam. He is in security. My mother name is Tulsi. She is a housewife, ma'am. My hobbies are listening music, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. How many issues did you find out?
23, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me about them.
First of all, ma'am, there is if we are doing a table or anything, we should perfectly maintain rows and columns, ma'am. There is no perfectly column, ma'am. There is two mistakes, ma'am.
Okay.
One more thing. Here is CK plus here is PM, ma'am. There is a mistake. Same, ma'am, as usual. There is also PM. Here is CK, ma'am. Same PM. Here is CK, ma'am.
Okay.
Same, ma'am. Here also, ma'am.
Okay.
And ma'am, whenever we are writing a date, we should maintain the year also, ma'am. Like, ma'am, now year is 2023. This is cancellation report, we should maintain the date regularly. That's why it is a mistake, ma'am.
Okay.
We should contains it not contains rows, ma'am. That's why it is a mistake, ma'am. Same as usual. If any giving a particular topic, there should do a particular table, ma'am. That's why I underlined. There is no here is no underline, ma'am. Here is there. That's why we are done, ma'am. That's it, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. We'll get back to you soon.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.